Down.
Yeah, bring his walking stick.
Hmm?
I think your dad should bring his walking stick.
Yeah.
Bring your walking stick.
There's a few tricky steps here.
Bring
The
the
mangrove's
sticks.
nice here, though. Some mangroves can't walk in. This one you can.
Yeah. Yeah, I was wondering how we're gonna get through. Because usually it's real.
Yeah. Yeah, we're gonna go into the mangroves.
Bring the stick.
Colors them kind of brownish, kind of a tan color,
Mm-hmm.
to make them more invisible to the fish.
I remember that.
And then what's the, oh, we need, douch, catch.
ما بخسر ما عن باتك سجكان سجك كان.
Oh, so it's we need a medicine for numbness.
How would you use it?
The venom of
Kili.
Kiliyota, the bark again.
What kind of numbness? All kinds of
Arskin kang?
numbness?
Arskin kang?
No, I don't know. Yeah. Mula.
Lumala. So again, it's in steep in the water and gets rid of the numbness. Iban, you sing up? Amenta, I've got to one more.
Yeah.
Okay, so you actually suck up the fumes.
Does he believe it's a numbness?
Boil the water
Yeah.
in a pot and put a sheet over your head.
No, not water. Takai.
Oh, with the jagai?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, so it's again the hot rock on the bark.
No.
It kind of burns in the smoke that you suck.
So you do that like only once?
Numbness out of you.
Only once? Or,
I can pack you tomorrow. 4 days, 8 days.
once a day?
Pack you around here, that's what Rama's is saying. Pohnpei medicine's always in 4s or 8s.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
So, yeah, one day wouldn't do it.
One day? Once a day?
Twice a day. It's really bad. Once in the morning.
And what kind of numbness? That's what I didn't understand. Like stroke numbness, Bell's palsy.
Song with stroke of it?
Stroke gola akai net sula kach
It could be, but any kind of numbness.
Does he believe the numbness comes from inhalation of the spirit? Because he's, or is it really like a physiological?
Iyo itak mas song kach okan sang tan me wachapuna baliwarta and yapekak.
Sumau nen.
Song kach mo kong matani.
So utan sang sumau kam kosan pelian stroke.
No medical. Okay.
Physiological. Good. Oh, you got it?
Okay, so when you put that in the bag. Put that in there.
Iyong wala pa ba? Iyan ang yan.
You put that in the bag.
Wala na ito. Kawal nga ito. Okay, so there's 3 species in here. That's the stone, the Bulgara, the Makalili's right up.
Why? Say. Oh.
It wasn't flashing.
Oh, is it? Oh, it wasn't. Okay. Oh, the whole time?
Saw maybe one.
How about that time?
Tan. really not to.
I gotta get a picture of
Smells
you.
nice.
You want to be
Cinnamon.
in the picture with us? Action picture?
Do I have to be?
Well, if you could, at least one.
Tan mau tolo la pe.
Okay. Now, can we get a small little piece of bark for each of these?
From that tree?
Yeah,
No problem.
little tiny one.
Like, how many did you take?
6.
Six.
Should be
So
6.
6 little squares?
Little, maybe like that. It's tiny.
Oh, me bueno. Oh, oh ya da. Mr. Buck. Mr. Yap. Mr. Yap. Mr. Yap. Neta ba?
Just one more. Don't want to take too much. That's fine. We cut those in half. It's a great smell.
It's almost like sarsaparilla.
Yeah.
Ooh.
So yeah. And then penetrating.
Leo.
And then look up.
Okay, who's
Look at her.
Okay.
And oh, forget I should let my dog go.
One more time.
So you wanted to see
Yeah.
the grammar?
Yeah.
Grammar.
Oh.
That's an unnatural pose if I ever saw one. Now the other side so you can see the...
Wait, let me turn it on there.
Look at me. Thanks.
Do you want to get a close-up of this, Daniel?
I did already.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, let's put them in the press.
Right. Actually, you know what? I want to put them. What's the specimen number going to be?
I'll tell you in a minute.
2131. I mean, 4131.
4131. I guess he was going to use those. Those orchid things or primitive things. You didn't give them a number, right?
Right.
Here, you can give that to me. Thanks.
Oh no,
What happened?
this guy is running low.
Oh, you need some batteries?
Film?
Battery.
We have batteries.
What kind of battery? We have those 4 I just bought.
I have 4 in my bag.
We have some extra batteries if you want them.
Takas totoo.
It uses its own battery that's rechargeable.
But will it also substitute double A's?
I'm not sure. This is
Looks like the same size, so.
Yeah. You want to try?
Could try,
Yeah,
otherwise.
Four
says
that we just
AA.
bought.
Yeah, I think so.
The four in the little brick.
They're in your pack.
Side pocket. Maybe the other one.
Yeah, we also.
Uh-huh.
That's the problem with this one. The battery runs out before.
Yeah, I have rechargeables in here.
See how long this one lasts.
Yeah, the idea is not to use the LCD. That screen in the back, that's what uses the electricity. Just look through the hole.
Yeah.
So, what are the local uses of this?
Okay, I'm dragging tatang yang mato. You got the MADEU, right?
Kaya yung totoo niya.
So there's a tea.
Medicinal?
Wait, tea is made from the bark.
Yes, tea is made from bark.
And what are its properties?
Come again.
Oh,
What does the tea do?
what does the tea do? You said it makes
Okay.
you feel good?
David, pilintiyo kung yang aranas.
Ilan ta?
Pilintiyo. Pilin mato.
Ilan ba ito? Kuya yung aranas.
Kain siya ng mga...
Sakin, kamaw yan ng kukunmutok.
Oh, like some of the
Yatin siya.
arthritis pains,
Mm-hmm.
like joint pain, they have pain in the joints.
Mm-hmm.
That's what they use for.
How would you use it?
Yung muna rin sa akin na tawag ng kukunmutok.
Yung tea. Yung song. Something.
Just like what we did.
Drink the tea.
Drink the tea.
Kaya.
Yeah.
Kasi yung koros na kukunmutok.
How?
Kakakuya yun. Kukunmutok. Kasuntok na kapituman. Isang pamela. Kaya hindi kita sumawala. Suka.
Okay,
Sumawala.
when somebody has that joint pain, then you drink it.
How much?
Yawan maras ganun sila nga ng kukunmutok. Sulubin?
Porque armas. Mokso. Porque kaya nag-break tayo yung alarm na naman yun. Parang kayo sa mga kaya sa nakakriyaw niya din na mga nakukot. Ay daw mga naman naman kami sa
Well, he cannot really tell because he drinks it every day, and so it's not. He doesn't have that problem with the. But once somebody has that, and you keep on drinking it, then it'll go away.
And then do they have to keep taking the tea all the time to make it stay away? You
Yeah.
know what I mean?
Okay. Ang sama harmas ng kukunmutok ni mala. Kanan ko nim no sula ng kukunmutok kanan na ito yan nim to. When and they are wrong one.
They're wrong water. Pil sigot karosen.
Oh, it's also acts as a cleaner, something that cleans the system, your system.
Oh, like when it makes the poop.
Kaya may kita sumawal.
There's some kind of
Kaya pil sigot. Kung saan na namas tuntun natin siyang ko.
Try to get
man.
some more of this.
Sure. Mo. Uy.
More of this
No, I know. I understand. I'm already on it.
What's so fun?
Okay. Another use he brought up, and
Nagaya udah ka.
I don't know.
Nagaya gasto may bubuyang kila. Nagang ko porugi.
Okay, how do I put it? Focus yung mga down.
Sumawal.
Okay, you
Sumawal.
back to what you were asking, right?
Yeah.
You have to keep on drinking it to keep it away.
Mm.
That's one of the purposes to keep that screen moving, right? Keep screening your system, cleaning your system,
Uh-huh.
yeah, so that you don't you don't get sick,
Mhm.
and you don't have back pains because you're
Mhm.
drinking it. And there's some kind of a sickness for man only, and it's one of the cures for that sickness is this cinnamon.
Mm-hmm.
You start having back pains,
Mm-hmm.
and what else? Ota. Ano ka mo siya mo tayo kita?
Uksel evo, tayo bumigtan na sumawal na tura. Pil suot ko sana ng taluran na ramas. Ko sam ay naramas ko din. Pilay, pil suot na nan ko dabak kisang.
Okay, so what he was trying to explain is like all the bad fluids in a man's body.
Mm-hmm.
The metal helps drain those out.
What kind of bad fluids?
Okay, anything that makes men sick, any fluids that makes a man sick.
Didn't say.
Ito
Okay, komprong kasi yata na.
Imet matau kisang pil suot ng taluran na ko imet ang men Pohnpei. Rekin ka ng kokon mata sumawulan. Siya minuay na arinta ng kokon mata. Sumawulan. Siya ito na rin. Kumanak.
Okay, so mga wall tama kung kalaw yata.
Uksel la palala. Umpos mo sa uksel. Ito.
Kahit saan ang bubog mo?
Saan nita? Pupuk? Pero kakasang po. Tapos tayo sumawur, tayo sumira na sa patok.
Okay, sometimes a man gets swollen testes, right? And it's from hard work,
Mm-hmm.
so they get that. It's trained more like you stress your body, and then you get that. Then this one will help drain all those. We say bad fluids in our body. Takes it out, screens it, clean it, and then help cure that. It's for men only.
So, Robbie, would a hernia swell the testes?
It's almost like
Yeah.
hernia, but
Except
you get it from really when you work too hard and like lifting heavy things. Then men get that.
What would that be?
well, it sounds like a hernia.
So testes get swollen with a hernia?
Yeah. See, the thing is, you have to really get detailed on the anatomy because the testes come through the inguinal canal, so the swelling of the testes could be interpreted as swelling of the groin,
Yes,
of
yes,
the whole
yes.
leg, and there's a canal that goes down. Then there's the testes. So I'm not sure
So
whether it's really the
this
egg,
helps.
the egg part, or the channel.
It's really the whole,
where it comes.
the whole system, the whole what do you call it?
Sounds like a hernia, but I wouldn't interpret it as such. I would say this is how we try to record the
Yes.
information as most accurate as possible. I would say that it is from the around the groin area
Yes.
all the way down to
Yes.
the testicles. The pain
Yes,
and the
there's
swelling.
pain, it's swelling, and then it's us in Pohnpei. We claim it on working too hard.
Yeah.
If you overwork your body, then you get that
Right.
as Pohnpeians. And then this is something that helps
Helps.
keep it down,
Down.
cure it.
Oh, that's good.
If there are bad fluids in in that region
Right.
of the body, this one helps drain out.
And how would you take it? How would you take it to drain out?
By drinking it, just like what the
Do they ever have medicine for like is the urine stream smaller with this problem?
again.
When you're urinating, when you're peeing,
Yes.
do they notice that there's any change in the stream of the urine,
The size,
the size?
whether it gets a little bit of water or a lot of water.
Oh, and so maganda din sa was niya sa pipi sa puna. Nakon la.
Yeah, men kasanatap.
Yes. This is This is what he was trying to explain. When we call that man's disease or man's sickness. And then this will help if it's the stream gets smaller.
Yeah.
That'll help make it normal.
That's very good.
So that's how it cleans it, by making it normal.
Pues
So that would be BPH?
Could be.
He's saying that that kind of sickness starts with the testis and then it expands, starts getting worse, spreading. So that's one of. That's not the only medicine for it, but that's one of it.
So when you get a hernia, does it spread like that?
Well, the other possibility could be infection. You know, there's
Yes,
many ways.
infection. Yes.
I was thinking of like sexually transmitted diseases in the old days.
Oh.
You know, maybe they didn't have. I know there were some medicines we saw.
Mia. Abe bunda ta ko mi sang mo chuột na kan ko sang na ko na. Gato ko su. So he's saying that's sexually transmitted. This is one of.
Oh, it is?
They use.
Sexually transmitted?
So this is part of it. Okay, for example, syphilis, right? There's another tree or herb that is mixed to this one to cure that.
Okay. So mixed with something else. Would in that case, would the woman also be getting that medicine?
Yeah.
So the medicine for that particular problem would also go to a woman.
It's hard to get on film when everyone's so far apart.
Move closer.
When I move closer, it's worse.
You get better sound.
But when everyone's so far apart, you know what I mean?
Well, yeah, you could stand over there.
I'm trying, but it's not. It still doesn't work.
Turn it off when you move around.
There's different recipes because that mulberry is another that acts like this one for that disease.
Yeah.
But we don't use the fruit for that. We use the root.
Oh, the root of the mulberry tree?
Yes.
Do you know this one? Let me take a picture.
Oh, yes.
You know that one?
He's using his glasses.
He's gonna have a closer zoom. Zoom. He's gonna zoom.
Wait a minute. You want to take a picture?
Do you have your reading glasses?
I do. Yeah.
Why don't you put them on and the two of you can put your reading glasses on?
Allison coat. That's the.
Wait, put your glasses on. Put yours on. Now take a picture.
That's a local scientist.
Oh, that's so cute. I have glasses too.
I'm not there.
They're having to show them.
Allison coat.
Hey,
Allison
look.
coat is. Oh, Mia
my
na. Kana Mia na. Kaya tang umito ka lepe. Epiyang na. Allison coat. That is
Isa sa may mtan niya ta. Iyat mi ya tikita ya sa sana. Sa wala na. Wala man.
This is 4132.
What do you call the
Okay.
that hair that comes out of the goat's
Beard.
ear? Goat's beard.
Beard.
That's Alice and goat. Alice means beard and
How do you
goat
say?
is goat.
How do you spell it?
ALISEN
Mm-hmm.
KOUT in kitty, but Bell Raynor will say coot, KUUHT. Because we have different reasons. We say A, we say N.
Right. Can you move on?
What now what's the use of it?
Tamara sukang yang harus angkutan.
Isang gut. Second time me gut. Ini sama ya ada. Itu. Ayang ya sumau sama sumau pada sisi ya. Ya tabayo.
Ong da.
Sumau en sir. Renda. Kayak kita sumau sir. Sumau sir.
Nani mo sila man mo.
Sila mo. Renda kapal. Yang pala.
Okay, he said
Yang rally.
he doesn't know any other uses of this tree, this plant, but it's one of the ingredients in a medicine that they feed it to babies that lost their appetite. Stop eating. So this is one of the ingredients in there to make them eat again.
Yeah, this wouldn't be related to the medicine.
Maganin ang karyang siriyang brong mga wala waksang unyang buriyang mo yun.
Yang siya.
It's a different because it's a different kind of what do you call it? How do you put
A different condition.
condition? Yes, it's a different condition of health.
Okay.
So this is a different prescription.
How would you use this? How would you
Yeah.
put it in that medicine?
Yang mo narawa sa akin tatang yan anong miksang medyo.
Naman.
Araskin
Sukati.
sugati,
Sukati o patikati.
but you put it
Piano cup.
with the other ingredients and then you pound it and then squeeze it into a cup. Then you and the baby fight on it because that baby won't wanna drink it.
Oh, bitter or something.
Yeah, they don't. Yeah, we try to get into the mouth and let them drink it.
What are the other ingredients?
Huwag isang botanical dito lang.
Mo ko ni nika ko siya. Man nika ko siya ito. Ko karangan mo. Ay ko ni ko. Eh, tingam beli no. So.
Oh,
Robbie, it's lost one. Under your knee.
Kailangan talaga mo niya. Siya sa mga.
Under your
Ipot
hand.
mo ka ko siya. Imo ka ko ya.
This one?
no.
Under your
There's
hand.
one.
The leaf. It's under your knee now. Don't move.
Oh, oh, oh.
Don't-
Ya ko okay bila.
His wife is the one that has the.
Is the owner.
He's the owner of this.
Right.
medicine.
Okay.
So he doesn't know the others. His wife knows them. Just when it comes to collecting this certain recipe, the wife goes into the bush and come back with the others.
Right.
This is supposed to be ladies' prescription for babies.
Uh-huh. Oh,
So she owns it. But
okay.
the matter is men, so that's why he knows it.
Does that mean that can only be dispensed by a man if he owns it?
No,
So,
because what he knows, what he told me in the
Yep.
book, will be different when you talk to somebody else. He's got a different recipe. Plus,
oh,
you know,
okay.
this one is added to some other kind of tree
Yeah,
for the same treatment.
yeah,
Can I have the plant?
yeah, yeah.
Can we find some more of this?
제가 비할 상가 도구 상 알시안 cotton 상 goat
cái nó cực lắm
yeah we can
cái tấm này vô tu của xem mình làm nóng rồi sao cho nó có làm nhỏ vô rồi cái đó cái đi mà
if I see where it's much cooler that one
Okay.
Could
Could I have the
có
leaves? And the leaves?
và đi anh ta đó tôi biết đây sẽ có lên thì mà tôi muốn mà so rồi nhiều thì ta tiền
Pili tour
còn nhận hay đó là cái gì mà đúng
ai ra nó phim không chịu aku kaitan sama ai ra nó camera pa nó umur pa na may ra na
raga neran di sini ya tahu kan
ama I'll show you Rami Milel what month are you leaving next month or this month
This month, a week,
30th.
30th.
ni silisa kan campong na drama silisa o ye shop
ok anak
ang week kayo
sore anak mau yang nyata dong
this is
bukan dong ya
because we didn't get to the place where you can harvest
Yeah.
so it's
và miếng
He wants to
sumber
use Canada.
mua rồi là was
so you can make the
Oh,
bag for
right,
you
right, right.
ready
bukan anak kira kan was bukan mau nakap kita dia yang kau nak mana ada was kau tak kau ini macam karena kemangan lang Ibil pakalar. Ibil pakalar katakan mo. Ang isang.
We're getting an early press, huh?
So, are there some other plants around here that have uses that we could talk about while we're here?
okay mia kay tuko wa sad mo de mia kay ta taong din siya ni ta mia okay there
Like this one?
no the one that tree there
Oh,
Which one?
palm.
Which tree?
I don't know if you want to talk about palm
The palm? Could
dia
his...
kan ka kuya ni
Ya,
tawo ni ta
Is there any way
Yeah,
his
that would
son
be
could get one of those branches with flowers without too much work? And then we could collect a leaf from here.
so to kuya pa yung ka kaledi wako
one man. Oh,
But, you know,
But
low,
not-
so it's not too much work.
they usually bear when they're
tahu dia.
really high
Tahu dia.
What?
Bali yang.
he's saying he's gonna climb that tall one
Ini masih tahu masih. Kalau ada bukan ada. Ini makan kerana.
you know kara
Kita kan balik. Kita makan kerana kalau nak. Tapi bang kerana kalau nak. Bang kerana apa? Nanti makan kerana. Kapan? Kata nanti. Ada
too high.
It's really high.
Okay,
Let's
so
see.
maybe can we talk about another plant? Any other plants?
What about like the tree fern? Is there any, is there any use for that?
That's the, yeah.
Sounds
Katar.
good.
Katak?
Katar.
Katar.
Katak.
Yeah.
The tree fern.
Yeah. What are you laughing? You see any
Katar.
spores on the bottom?
Yeah.
Oh, that's, it has some medicinal use too, that tree fern.
Can we get a leaf?
You can get, yeah, I see. Nó quay phải là tôi yêu trước.
But the one that we need has spores on the bottom, brown dots on the bottom of the leaves, on the underside. Tiny brown dots. You get to explain that?
Nó mới ra nè nên là bạn nó biết chìm mây cái tàn trò của cô. Sao đang bị hạt một cái đang cắt
Should I film this or not?
Yeah, keep going. Just
When I'm doing this, I can't take pictures. Though.
this is cool.
But
Oh, so that could be another fern.
Oh no, all ferns, at some point, they have brown dots on the bottom.
Oh, okay.
And we just have to find the leaf with brown dots.
Có feminine to nine katar so. Mia I show you can mia. Mai to brown kai tan. Trog.
Tan trog á.
I show you now. No, I show down.
Do you want to look at the fern?
Turned off?
this turned off.
What turned off? That? Oh, when you have the screen out, this
No,
doesn't go on.
but the screen was in.
Hey, Daniels. You want to hold this fern and I'm going to take a picture of you for your mom?
Look at me.
It's okay.
No, seriously.
One more. No, Robbie, look at me.
Oh, he's asking if you have this kind of species in the States.
No.
The fern.
No, not the tree fern. We only have the ferns that grow on the ground.
Oh, siyang narak kami marami. Nan panay na narak katari kami lagi. High school ki apeka. Yung ko lang na show yung kapilong yata. Apeka kami yata isa sa may yaray. Yaray sirikan.
Silikan. Silikan.
So what do you call this?
Katar. Katar.
And what's the use?
Okay, for house, that's what we use for housing, poles. And also for, that's the one we use for the... Okay.
Housing? When do you cut it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We usually look for the good size.
What size?
That's a fern, that's a good size.
Let's cut it. Okay, how, so...
In diameter, let's see. Anna? one. Mr. Raynor.
Someone's coming?
Yeah. There's people walking on the main road.
The main road.
Main trail.
Larger size, how big?
You step up.
Yeah, what size like this?
If you want one lauti, one alati.
Oui,
Is
voilà.
one
Is one
quota.
quota.
From six, it really depends on its availability. If you're in a place where you can only get 4 inches, then use 4 inches.
Right. And then when do you cut it? Do you cut it at a special time? When the moon is full? When does it
Además que
depend?
después son mian sa un lepkatar, ay so hours.
Bây giờ mình là quan trọng. Bởi vì bạn còn dạy là sống.
Okay. Sila maging labog niya sa naramata. Suro ka ba yun? Okay, he has no other reason, where.
Just cut it.
Just cut it when you need it. Just go cut it.
Okay.
But it has to be the length that you want.
Right. And after you cut it, you let it dry?
No,
You just use it?
just cut it and use it.
Okay. And what are
And then it dries when it's under the roof, and then it start drying for yung water. Akan yawurin.
Kaksan bakit.
Yeah, can it be there for some
Is it used for anything else in the house? Any other kind of construction, boat or?
Yeah, may got to be yan ang name of it. Kata. Ito na ginoo. Not in the house, but we use it for like small bridges for lay down. Footbridge.
Kailan yun? Oo. Sira pilkak ko. Sira pilkak mo sa mutla na po yun. Daradagan ko yung oras.
Saying it stays outdoors longer.
Right. And then what are the other uses?
Lilia kay tatak mo rin yung kata.
Wini.
Medicine.
What kind of money?
Sa mga nita,
Wala.
when you cut yourself, then kau din siya?
Then,
Kau siya ba?
kau siya tao. Hindi siya. Kau din.
Nun,
Kau din siya.
Kanoti?
Ano iti. Wala.
Wala o kau din siya?
Eh, kau.
Like to stop the blood clot when you cut yourself and it's bleeding, stop it. Stop bleeding, yeah. And then also to heal it, help heal the wound.
Okay, now when they put the medicine up for the blood clot, do they also have to press really hard, or they just put it on really lightly?
How do you put it on?
Yeah, yang muna ro sang yang tono lao ga na pat kong yo to kaban kawai ti yang.
Wala lik. Yun. Na. Life. Sila po yun ako. Nanula? Nanula. Kita na ulit. Wale.
Na prion?
Eh. Sabi na ulo. Mutalok nila.
Okay, somebody's cut really
Sarap
bad,
tayo. Tayo sila po.
and you cut the very tip, top of it, the softer part.
The ones like that?
Many are met. Binibinod nan
Nan.
Oh, no,
Not that.
that's we use that for other
Okay.
cures.
But you're talking about this tip?
No, actually the stem, but the soft part where the leaf starts going out,
Okay.
that's more softer, and you cut it, split it in half, and you scrape it. Scrape off the flesh, and it's more,
You got the flesh?
yeah, it's more like softer. It's really soft, and then you mix it with some of the hairs on it, and then you put it in the cut.
Inside the cut.
Yeah.
You close the cut up. Sometimes I get surgery, they have these band-aids and close the cut.
O nan wala ke ragan kola rai kin painti kolpano awan wala wa ma kan kamang lalo ko ta
Bakyan na rin. Roti.
roti.
Mimi. Wala ba sensara? Ako sila pa yun. Wala ko rin tayo niya.
Okay.
Anapa utan na kauwi. Ikangasang.
It's hard to close the cut. Yeah. But if you put it inside and it'll protect it from getting infected. That's for protection of infection.
And how long do you leave it in the cut?
Yawan arami minan wala. Okay.
Ran. Awar niya sa payo. Kapag nila.
Oh, can be there for 24 hours. take it out, put new one.
Now, when they take it out, do they wash it out or do they scrub it out or how?
Yung muna sa season and wala. Oh, it doesn't stick into the flesh. When you take it out, it just peels off.
Yeah,
Oh,
next time.
okay.
Yes.
Also, it makes kind of like a adhesive, like a
Yes,
Band-Aid,
yeah.
like a natural Band-Aid.
It's more like a little bit slimy.
Uh-huh.
This what I tried?
Yeah,
A little bit slimy, so if the whole thing comes out.
That's
Karena
good.
wasaw-unaw
So
na
it
kan.
is really a protection.
Wasaw-unaw na kan talobilaw. Talobilaw na. So megan kukulaw. So
Do you want to do the video so I can take pictures?
Yeah.
There's a lot of
And I can run the video and let me,
Turn it off when you change.
okay, just turn it off and then I'll start it again.
Apiu kisanga quality here. Sila. So koro sila makamagaligan wala. Ito kang matang mo di.
Tape.
Super one way raposo. Major you.
Yeah, medyo yo. Tayo do.
Okay,
You have the cap on.
Oh, that's what it is. Okay.
remember the one you were saying, you were talking about the cinnamon kind of fern?
Mhm.
The one in the river that was cut down. The tip is used for boils.
Okay, not this one.
Not this one. Kaputan sudah try to use it. Kaputan
Oh, ta.
ang muni apa?
Kupto? Omo, yang to yang.
Oh, okay. I was mistaken. That thing is also used in that whole thing. And you use the whole soft part, scraping.
What's the matter with it?
Yeah.
You want to just
Kak sibuk sa kana ba kamo to.
shoot this and put your film in? There's only a few.
Kalau berbuat dan sibuk dia kalau wasa sa kaso. Arba ko yan wala niya abiyo daga mo bara. Kamo to. Niya kalau belum dia dan to.
So there's only 6 left. You can change it.
Sorry.
But the film isn't in that one. That's slide film too.
I know, so I'm gonna get rid of the slide film and start something.
Could he show us how you take a piece? Can we find one low enough to cut with a machete?
Yeah. How he prepares it?
Kaya ko wala.
Get a flash.
Yeah, flash.
Wala ka pala tikotang. Wala ka pala tiyo. Yo, bergrupo.
Yo.
Wala ka pala bergrupo. Yo. Kuat.
And then you
You
can
go
take pictures of that.
Kuat.
Yeah.
Presyo nga ta.
If I make the LCD brighter, will it also make it brighter on the camera? How do I make it brighter on the camera? No control?
Well, there's an exposure control.
Okay, I just...
So,
Yan,
may tao.
yan tao yan, guys. Yan.
Nagsagrap. Kuat.
Okay.
Lumut. Ayun. Are we ready?
Almost.
No kayo kusama.
So these are the hairs that are mixed to
Okay.
what is being sprayed.
Oh.
Okay.
No kayo kusama.
I need to take some pictures of that with the digital.
No, use this.
I need some with the
I'll do
digital. Okay.
You can get them. Wait.
I just need one shot with the digital.
Ni.
Okay, great.
Yan ang pelur na.
Scrape off the hair.
You can also take digital pictures, Ronnie, with that by pushing the button near your first index finger.
Okay.
That one right there will take.
See, it's slimy, right?
It's like,
Get close up. You know where the zoom is, right?
Yep, I'm close up right now.
Take the hairs, put it in, mix it up.
Mix them.
I think all you have to do, Robbie, is
Is it more solid?
You can feel it, and how it's gonna be in that mold with that, softness. Is it lemon?
Given pelota pel ni mat kelare.
Let's put it in your arm.
That one masiliman?
Turo pelota pelawal. Magdas ban tiang apa yang nak? Asal koyang ni olau are sana mau. Mungkin ban koyang alga ban mangan puksang. Ila apa makoleti? Ila apa makoleti? Olau.
Langsung kita ko kasi yung linya.
Lima. Ilabar mo kulit tay kung koros. Kusang niyo wala. Kaya sensara wala. Alaba. Iba bang kare sensara wala. Bay kung makano wala bola. Liki mo di. Alala ba. Bay ko. Kare da. Laban ba mimi o naksa.
Put it on your arm so I can put.
It's really soft.
Put it on
Because you have a power.
Pala.
No, don't cut it.
Oh, yeah. Kuya ni wala. Kuya ni wala. Kuya mo ba? Okay, tuna kuya no na wala. Sa isin wala mo. Kaya ko prop.
Then you tie it.
Surat. Tape man sa kanakan. Man tape.
Tape wapisang unon para kama to.
Dan pula roti di man utay. Apa roti pun kulong dan wala. Iban tu. Awar ye sak tayo ba mimi ya? Nak. Awar ye sak tayo pisang.
Jalayo.
Alayo. Itu kan mau. Cuma. Ahora puedo comprarla.
Oh, okay. Armas leak kan?
Nella akan talala, pero man niya. Mismo ko llega beli. Nella i area linya sola na ito. Amarasa man niya
How can you use it? For ladies' medicine, if you don't want to have babies anymore, this is one of their recipes. This one's this part.
Okay, hold on. Let me just put this in.
But that's ladies' medicine, so.
I have to take a picture of it.
Get closer to the tree then. Just a second. The flash cup?
Yeah, flash.
Thank you.
So what would you do with that enrolled piece?
Tama, yung
tayo.
labo. No.
Ang sawat. Ang sawat siya kasi tayo lihat dulu ya.
Oh,
Kanan di mga no.
oh.
Are.
So, because it's for
Sila
ladies'
for
medicine, it can't
Doesn't
matter.
Okay.
But he knows it's for
Uya
medicine for.
Uyan wala ini ka kasi. Mo ka de clip.
So
There could be some other plants mixed to this one. So that's it.
Wala pa
what's
niya.
the digit?
Wala.
Excuse me.
Wala lang mo.
Kasi?
Kung kaya ko kaya tam.
Uy, resto kung kali ako.
Don't throw it out. I'm gonna press it.
Okay.
How about you see that hanging down?
Having a deal?
Yeah, like does that have a name?
Limpar.
And does that have a use?
Yeah. Kaya ka tawag?
Kita nung kaya ko ya. Pero ya ka kapat sa kau sang pa.
That's for decoration on the sakao.
Mm.
If you harvest the sakao and you tie it on it,
Kapat.
it'll add
Sa mo ya. Tiap pa siya.
what do you call it? It's more respectful when people see that on it,
Mm-hmm.
on the branches.
Is it
That means
running
you're
out?
out of tape. You're
And
running out
add
of
to
tape.
the
Not quite yet.
value
Can you get
of
me a tape?
that
Yeah,
sakao.
I think we saw some at the ceremony,
Just let it run out
right?
Where's
Yeah.
the tape?
in the other bag, but you got at least 5 minutes on there. Sorry?
The piece on the roof.
That one is they don't have any other use like
Right.
medicinal, but
Can we? Is it too tall to scrape down with a stick?
Which plant is it that he's
Okay.
referring to?
Over there.
The
Kalau
fern,
mau
the one that
thing
we.
hanging down.
Kalau nak tiap tu mai wa pe ko.
I'm not talking about
Forest?
this one. Not that one.
No, the one that looks
This?
like fern, but it's
That
not
one, yeah,
long.
exactly.
Yeah, that's the one.
This one?
You tie it on the branches of the sakao and it'll.
Kapat.
Yeah, that's what we saw.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, we collected it.
We collected it, but we didn't
We
No,
never
but
knew
that's what
that
we saw
you.
at the ceremony.
on the sakao.
On the Sakai,
Eh.
with the bird's
Yeah,
nest
that's
one,
all.
remember?
Mm-hmm.
Kaya na natin sa kau ko mula pa sila ko. Ang pala sa ando yang tahu ko na. Atau betul yang baru. Wes, betul-betul ko. Dengan na.
Oh, I don't think young
Eh.
Batakong.
Harus nan. Pulih yung rasa ko. Dengan. Berada siapa sih? Siapa? Waduh, beta pa?
It's to get as much as possible.
Yeah, from the base. The root.
Nanti yang kalawakan ini ya,
Oh. Nakade-kade di isang dikit. Alira takotan ni sama kiji.
Alis talale?
Ha? Ano siya nga lang? Isay kuya, isay ko ron ta mew yaw.
He hasn't heard of any medicinal use on it or other uses other than those two that broadleaf, the longer.
Bird's nest, right?
Yeah, the bird's nest, and plus that one, you put it on the sakao notes, tie it on it, and then it grows on it.
Mm.
And then
How-
it'll-
Makaalam mo kan mo sa.
Oh, it grows
Ito.
on
grows
the base,
on
right?
The node of the,
Wow.
Yeah, that's what, because we saw it and
Yes,
we
voilà.
thought someone just put it there.
that
To,
puts more respect on
yeah,
How did
so it's better for a ceremony.
how did he learn that? Who did he learn it from?
Raymond.
Yausa
Betul dah. Yo wa.
Yausa kom,
Sa balawa.
yausa kom, school di saya mau yaban. Oh, menwa?
Eh.
Oh, there's a bigger one flowering.
That's good.
He learned from his dad. And
Yeah,
Philippines do that, you know, the sakao growers.
And what would you call that plant?
Yatan sugano?
Yeah.
Men.
Ma?
Yeah. Yeah.
Limbar.
Limpar.
Limbar.
Limpdar. That's it. Ito eh.
Sabi ko na karanina.
Ah.
Nawa doon na ito.
Already.
Oh, Helps, I guess. And you catch it?
Salmon. Take the very outer part of where the you have to clean the very top. Take it off, scrape it off,
Yes.
and you'll have more cleaner portion left. And then
You can smell it.
then you tamam kalburang lalo. So later. So it's still outside. It's not in there. So it puts sound down to
Sure.
See that plant there with the long leaf?
Plant with the long leaf. Which one
The
is
big
that?
one, the broad. It yet. So you can use those two.
Yeah. Or like banana or something.
Yeah, you can use, if you have banana, you can use it.
Wow.
But it makes sure that it
Sito kulong lel ni
doesn't
tuwa
get too
stola. Are ban koyi. Ban mosada bosito ola.
So it'll grow back.
It'll grow back faster.
So it's okay.
Can you say that again?
But this is too deep. That's too far.
This is too far already.
Ma. Ma ramasko tiak suat. Ora pella rel ku yam nera ko ban tau yo ko ba.
No, this one is made so they can climb up and harvest higher.
So, can he repeat again how he knows how not to go too deep?
Kaya kapro yang kasi yang tenong kulong na ako emen.
Oh.
Kasi yaro mo carbon na mo
Mitra likia i mo ma nia eu apenan tu ka mi ilolong sang ma.
Okay.
Ani mi ilolong sang ma. Ari ete kola lel. Po ma bang kola lel aban ola. Utugan tu ka. Ari bang karda bang panten wisa moti. Namma ma we. Kola sita lel. Ari sita ka bayam abang pro sita udan parok na tu ro ko kola.
What he was just explained, what he just explained is by scraping it and not getting too deep into the wood, it heals faster. It's not affecting its health. Because you can see this way, it's really, you see this is rotting already.
Yeah.
When you just take a little bit of the bark off, doesn't affect it. It grows back faster. It heals itself faster.
So this is trying to heal right here,
That's trying to heal.
but it's not working. But it's dead. This.
If it's really bad, if it gets sick, then it'll die. That's a problem for long stripping and really wider stripping.
How long would it take him to figure that out?
To figure out.
How to
Well, how
do
did
this
he
different scraping, you know? the
Yawan
method.
mo rin na mo aliale kulin matu komitiar dan mo ya pat. Wow.
Men?
Lil sampan. Lil sampun. Pat ko mo mas kom guna lek kilisha.
Kilisa.
Yawan mo rin na.
Mon koryo sambar wai yapir tan. Sabung ai
Oh, it took him almost a year to find out that this is the wrong way of
Yeah.
harvesting. Because he was saying that it usually heals within months. So that took him a year to really figure out how fast it grows back. And if this is the only tree he's harvesting, that'll really keep him months apart, right?
Yeah.
Before he can get his next harvest. So
So you have to figure out a different way.
yeah, what is more faster
More
healing,
productive.
so I can get more. This is more, so you can get more skin out of this method because it heals faster. And he say when it heals, it's even. It's more even.
How much does he take at a time usually?
Yawan kom kanalen ni eo halal. Kom kalbur.
Like how much? A bag full of?
Yawan makam kalbur ta eo.
Sang ni airport.
Ay sa ogis makam kin yawan eo within rice the eo plastic te.
With the rice, pound rice rice Ma kumatang ganot. Hot niya. Ay ligan ganot dito with the rice pound rice.
Kalbur to.
Kalbur to. Sira kan pera lang.
Okay, yeah, the 22-pound rice sack, the plastic sack, small one. One harvest would like somebody wants him to bring, then he goes up there, and then he collects into that 22-pound. It's not really full. That's one taking. Then he takes
How
it
full?
down.
Like half full? Or?
Can
Yeah, that silpang ko.
okay, yeah, one to Reneto. Can turtolun te.
So, ito. Ni panangan turtol.
Okay, silubis bag silu.
May.
Like three-quarters of the bag.
Is that from one tree?
Sang ni eu tukote sang no koros.
So, sang na koros to.
Tukote ba magam kak aleaken del sao.
Kak suka tabot.
Like 4 trees, 4 scrapings from 4 trees will fill that 3/4 bag.
No, so that's a lot each time. How often can you go? Can you go every day?
Yeah, 139.
Niya len ko. One tot. So, niya kisang herman nak.
Wala siya magam kunaw dita.
Ito.
Ito. Ayaw 139 tatong gilaw ako pura dala.
Oh, perdala one tot in.
Ang kunalialit sa uno.
Kak main.
Niya sa magam kunaw dita ewet ko dila yawan magam kunuya tatong giyo nakakam pura dala.
Sampung.
About 3 to 4 months, to use that 3/4 bag.
So every 3 to 4 months he does it? Yeah. He can't do it more often?
Kasi doon kuya to siya mo,
Kak.
well, that'll
Kak.
be depending on the amount of the volume of order.
Oh, okay.
Because
He does it to sell,
Yeah.
not. Okay.
So what we like have him try to do first is like make 4 or 5 of the $20 bags. That'll be enough to buy the basic needs, like to kerosene and maybe pay for the bill, of the power bill, and also salt and all this. So that's enough. That's like $100.
So one day is 1 day's worth of scrapings of 4 trees. That's that bag.
1 day, what? Come again?
When he comes down, let's say, with a bag filled from scrapings from 4 trees.
Yes. Okay.
That's 1 day's work,
That's a day's work.
basically. Okay.
Kapag ka kinamasang sineta ka nan lapis silu niya mo plastic mo kang gunwali law sinet metal reason ko may ko
Ang gamit tayo. Silpang ko. Tayo kak.
fried into the Ziploc $20 is like four of them
4 trees.
dried.